investment fact of the week.
It's a few of them. Number one, on a 5-year rolling basis, U.S. stocks have outperformed international stocks. We know that. Number two, July on average is up 3.2% for the month of July. So for everyone who's worried, we were talking about it earlier, everyone who wants to be a perma bear and short the market, this is not a month to do it. July is usually really good. Number three, Google is projected to double to $247 billion in profit in the next 3 years. The Russell 2000 climbed 22% in the first 6 months of the year. The ticker is IWM if you want to invest into it. SMH was up 2% today. Microsoft cuts 4,800 jobs, and a post that went kind of viral. It cost $303,000 to raise one child in the United States of America. To all of you dads who get on the post and say, it doesn't cost that much, you're telling on yourself that you don't know what the rates are. Ease up. Like, unless you are in Iowa or certain parts of Arkansas, you're telling that you don't pay for the child support and then the child care shit. And one of the biggest businesses that private equity is starting to invade is child care services. This is part of the reason why we'll talk about that more in Blackout. But the lesson from that I want you to take, because when I first had Xander, the number I think was 115. To see that number balloon from 115 to 303, by the time our kids have kids, that number will be a half a ticket. Invest for the long term.
Okay, that was a lot of facts right there, man.
Real quick,
all of them are good. I saw an interesting fact about. I'm glad you brought up SMH and SOXX because we've been seeing kind of volatility in the semiconductor space, definitely in the memory space. But SOXX X and SMH have traded between 2.5% to 4% over the past 10 days, both negative and positive. And so for newcomers to that, what does that speak to? Yes, volatility, but it also means that there's consolidation. If something goes up 2%, down with 2%, up 2%. So you're starting to see that sideways pattern of consolidation, which means, number one, is it a retest or is it a reset, right? Are we seeing profit taking or are we seeing something that is going to be more drastic? I think this is going to be a big week in determining what we're looking at in this little short term of volatility over the past, I'd say 3 or 4 weeks. Obviously, with Samsung reporting, actually in the next half hour, we got TSM and ASML next week, and then we'll talk about SK Hynix IPO in this week.
Yeah,
a very big week to see where this consolidation is headed. Can we be consolidating and now having an uptrend, or will we consolidate a little bit longer throughout the summer?
Steve, what's lame about reporting the facts and taking care of your family? I'll put the money.
We live, man.
We live. I'll put the money away for my child till he's 43. What's lame about that? Let me help you. I love you dearly from the bottom of my heart.
So, from the depths of my heart, I love
For
it.
Real. Number 2, king number. What does that mean when he has a number 2 next to it? Crown number 2.
I think I'm not sure what that means. It's an XP thing. Does that mean that they like every time that they come in? Yeah, so they get like every. Okay, that's a regular.
Thank you. That's
Thank
amazing.
you. I appreciate that. Love is love.
Yeah, that's love. Oh, and shout out to Crystal. Last week I reported she started with 10,000, grew her account to 343,000 from investing into the market long term. You can get big gains from holding long term without futures and options. Now, if you put the futures and the options with it in combination, infinite options. So, I think that's pretty dope.
Okay. Shout out to all the community. Shout out to the community.
Sasha Digital. Shout out to you.
I will say this before we go into the next topic. Invest Fest this year, Thursday, we're doing something that's never been done before. We're doing a all-day Invest Fest for the youth, and it's going to be schools. I think how many schools?
Right now we have 6 schools. We have over 500 students from New York and the Atlanta greater region. We've been doing it for the past 5 years of bringing kids down from New York and kind of like saying we could just show them the possibilities and almost forgetting that we're in a major city that has plenty of high schools and plenty of young people that are willing to learn and have access to information at a higher rate when you're talking about all the entrepreneurs that are in the city of Atlanta. And so we're bringing Atlanta City schools this year as well. We had some talks about bringing some other cities, which I'm sure we'll do in the future. But I'm excited for it, man. People have been asking for it. And they, we used to get the question, can my kids come to InvestFest? So here comes your answer. We're starting out here with the high school students, and it's going to be a full day of programming that is catered directly to and for them. It's going to be incredible. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, for sure. Speaking of cater, so we're going to leave some open spots too for people that, if your child does not actually go to one of these schools, we'll leave some spots open for kids that can go to this outside of just the schools that are going as a collective unit. But Thursday, that's the opening. That's August. What is that?
August 6th. Yep, August 6th.
August 6th. Now it's 300 kids, 400 kids.
We got 500 right now.
500. So here's an opportunity for a business owner in Atlanta, if you're interested. We are looking for a caterer. We're looking for a caterer. It don't gotta be nothing crazy. These is high school kids. Lunch. Lunch is not. We're not putting together a 5-star dinner, but we just need to cater lunch. We respect the time, so obviously it's not. We don't expect anybody to do it for free, but a discount would be appreciated, and we could use the barter system. We could definitely highlight your business. Look, this is an opportunity. We could figure it out. We could figure it out where it's mutually, because this is not paid. We're not getting paid for this. This is these kids are free. They come in for free. So we could figure out something that's mutually beneficial to a business owner in the greater Atlanta area. If you're interested in catering a lunch for high school students that's learning about finance on that Thursday. If you are interested, serious inquiries only, please DM valid_ASO. He's in our bio. Link in like in Instagram, if you go in our bio, he's the COO. His name is Abdullah. All you gotta do is just go to the bio. He's tagged in the bio.
And better if you're in Red Panda. So shoot me a message if you are. I connect you, get you a little highlight, talk about you on stage, invest in kids.
And we got some more announcements. Ian and I had a conversation. So as we get closer to the event, we'll let go of some of the announcements that we have in store for our young adults.
That's a fact.
We appreciate you, my brother.
Only the family.
So
Ian love the kids.
So if you're interested, no bologna though. You can't.
No bologna, no cinnamon toast crunch.
Bologna and cheese out the
if
question.
my kid can't eat it, I'm not gonna let it. If you need some subsidies, I'm feeling like Brad Gerstner. If you need some subsidies, I got you. I'll add to it.
Fact. No bologna, please.
Yeah. Nope. You gotta do the Norway play and import the good food for the kids.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Don't feed the kids anything you wouldn't feed yourself.
Yeah.
A lot of these people are eating bologna themselves, though. That's another story. We'll talk about that later on.
Bologna with the mustard sandwich.
We talk about that later on.
Most nights ate sleep for dinner.
So if you're interested, hit up AB valid_ASO. And hey, look, there was a water company at one point in time that actually gave out free water at InvestFest. They turned out to be the official water sponsor of InvestFest.
That's a fact.
And we had an episode with them. You never know how these mutual, you never know.
That's a fact.
These things come.
Can I be honest? The best way to get in the door is by doing it for free. Like even to this day, we do it. This is my favorite model. Results. I talked about it at Chance thing, but if you really want to break out, give the result in advance. Yes, it may cost you a little bit up front, but to build a relationship, get in the door, now you're first on the draft board.
That's a fact.
It makes a world of difference.
That's a fact. Just go. Our Sprinter guy.
Official transportation.
I used him just to get from the airport just now.
Yeah.
How he got in with us is he gave us the Sprinter for the first year for free. Now he's the official transportation. Anywhere in the world that we go, he's the official transportation guy that we use. So look, sometimes in life you gotta, it's one of these things, man. Relationships.
And I've said it before. I'll say it again. Pick the 100 people that you would do that thing free for. Some of them, of course, let's say if you give away 100 services, if 15 buy, make sure that the pricing model matters where you can make the return on the 15. But then if you have them for multiple years, same thing. He reached out to me, hey, you need transportation? Bro, I want to get taxes. Like, no, I got you. First year. Now, second year, he made his money. Oh, it's you and your dad. How many Red Panda you got? 12? Oh, I got you.
Don't worry.
I got that bill. I said, ooh. Double up.
We try on lessons now.
The invoice came year 2 for sure.
For sure. We're happy to pay it.
That's a fact. That's a fact.
Safety.
All right.
It's paramount.
I got a question. Go ahead.
The last thing I'll say about InvestFest too, congratulations to the brother that met his fiance during InvestFest weekend. Legendary story. This year at InvestFest, we are doing a singles lounge. There's a lot of single women that come to InvestFest. There's a lot of single men that's really getting to a bag, that got their head on their shoulders, that's intentional. There's a lot of intentional men at InvestFest, and there's a lot of business baddies at InvestFest. So what better way to foster the nuclear black family than to actually have an incubator? And it's going to happen by happenstance anyway.
For sure.
So we wanted to actually have some level of structure behind it. So this year we are having a singles lounge, first time ever. Or if you're an InvestFest ticket holder, all you got to do is go to the website and sign up. There's no extra charge. There's no extra fee, but it is limited. First 200 people, first come, first serve.
I need a ticket, or like I get VIP access for my keynote.
So are you on the market? Because you've been promoting this.
I saw you in the comment section, and we all saw it.
Are you on the market?
No, I'm not on the market technically, my brother. I'm adding to the value of the brand. I'm licensing my brand with the new event activation to make sure the activation go up.
It's the technicalities.
My brother.
Got you.
Okay.
Open. You call it Fibonacci?
Yo, what's the retracement level here?
So, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good to know.
Because
I got you Wednesday though. Got you Wednesday.
Man. All right.